Handmade products with artistic flair are beloved, but not all online handmade shops are what they seem. Today we're taking a closer look at Mary Hamptons, a site selling decor, lamps, mugs, and other handmade items. Is it real and trustworthy, or is it fake and risky? Let's break it down. So Mary Hamptons markets itself as a small artisan brand focused on handcrafted products, from artistic lamps to mugs with unique designs and home decor items. The website tells a sentimental story about a family workshop and a final farewell sale with up to 80% off, implying these pieces are rare and lovingly made. That kind of backstory sounds nice, but just because a store tells a story doesn't mean it's true or trustworthy. Independent website risk trackers give Mary Hamptons a very low trust score and flag it as suspicious or unsafe. One analysis gave it around 23 out of 100, signaling suspicious, unsafe, and doubtful. Big red flags for an e-commerce site. Another security scan gave the site a trust score of as low as 3 out of 100, identifying multiple risk indicators including domain age, less than 1 month, hidden ownership details, and limited credibility signals. A brand that truly sells handmade artisanal products, especially with heritage, would typically have clear company owner identity, a history of online presence and reviews, verified customer feedback on independent platforms, and transparent shipping and refund information. Mary Hamptons doesn't show these reliability markers, and its very new domain and hidden ownership are typical of high-risk or potentially deceptive sites. Here's the practical takeaway. Even if the site shows handmade items and a touching backstory, there's no independent evidence that the products are genuinely handmade by an artisan workshop or even shipped as advertised. Many risky sites put handcrafted imagery and marketing tags without real fulfillment history. Potential buyer issues include items that never arrive, products that don't match the photos or description, and difficulty getting refunds or support if something goes wrong. These outcomes are common when a shopping site has a poor trust profile and no credible external reviews, even if the story on the homepage reads beautifully. So is Mary Hamptons real or fake? The final verdict is high risk and unverified. Based on independent trust analyses and no credible third-party customer feedback, there's no solid proof that this is a reliable handmade goods store. That doesn't guarantee it's outright fraudulent, but the evidence strongly suggests you should avoid shopping here unless you want to risk losing your money or receive disappointing goods. If you're looking for truly handmade and trustworthy artisan products, consider major platforms like Etsy, local craft markets, or shops with verified reviews and transparent business info instead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.